If you kill me, Pink, I will kill you in your sleep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. And today's video is very interesting and I'm actually pretty nervous about it. I'm going to be playing Among Us, and every time I lose, meaning at the end it says defeat, either I'm imposter or crewmate. So sometimes it's not even gonna be dependent on me fully. Whenever I lose, I have to eat a blazing buffalo hot wing. If you guys ever had blazing, you know it ain't for the weak. It ain't for me. If you guys want to see me take on this challenge, then please stay tuned and pray for me. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys. So here are my blazing wings here. I actually had fries and stuff in here. That's why it looks like empty. I'm not excited. I've had these before. They literally made me cry. And I don't think I ever finished one wing. I'm nervous. I'm gonna be screen recording, so you guys are gonna see me play Among Us. I'm probably gonna do about 5 to 6 games. Let's get started. I'm not gonna do with my followers. I'm going to actually just join random lobbies. Also, I have my ice cream here to instantly save me, hopefully. I also have some avocado ranch dressing that I'm gonna be using, and I also have some oat milk here. I'm kind of protected. I hope I'm protected, and it's also really cold in here, so if I do have to eat a wing, it's definitely gonna warm me up. I'm scared. All right. Game 1. And also, if I die, like if they kill me, that doesn't count as losing, all right? The only losses we're counting is if at the end it says defeat. I don't even know what to do next. It's freaking, why are there so many tasks? What the? Okay, yellow came running from over here. If there's a dead body, okay, there's not. Don't kill me. Okay. There's white. Oh. Whatever, I'm not even gonna go fix it right now. Maybe I should, because what if we lose because they're not fixing it? Y'all better be doing tasks, because I can't afford to lose, man. Oh my god, we're not even halfway with the tasks. Oh my god, stop leaving, don't leave. I sus brown and they already started voting. Come on, stop being at. What the hell's wrong with these people? See this? I'm about to get mad because I do not want to eat these wings. And there's 2 imposters. They literally just have to kill, like, look, they're not even watching me do weapons. Fucking save it. I'm gonna save it because they about to piss me off. Oh no. I'm leaving this lobby first of all because they stupid. Alright. Fine. Oh gosh, that's a lot. Also, if you guys never tried this dressing, avocado ranch, this shit fire. And it's from Marzetti Simply Dressed Dressing. Fire. I'm about to feel fire. What the hell? I don't want to do it. All right. These are so bad that you cannot like touch your face and stuff after you eat one. They all look too big too. Actually, this one looks small. Honestly, they don't look like they have that much sauce as I've seen them before. So I'm gonna dip it in ranch. I'm gonna really dip it in ranch. Do not judge me because I'm still eating it. This is a punishment for losing. Jesus, please help me. This ranch ain't doing jack. It's doing a little bit. Alright, that's it. I'm trying not to drink milk right away because I'm a big boss. I'm about to drink milk. I'm fucking lying. Alright. Yeah, my makeup kind of came off all in this area because I was just cleaning my nose. Why is this legal? Why do they sell this at a restaurant? Let's do this again. Please grant me with a great lobby that is smart and know what they're doing, and hopefully we win. I challenge you guys to send me a video of y'all trying these blazing hot wings if y'all haven't. This shit makes no sense. It makes no sense. Y'all, they just told me my screen recording failed to save. Gosh, I just won 2 games and it didn't screen record for y'all. All right, because of that, I'm gonna play 3 more games. I'm so mad. Ugh, that's frustrating. All right, let's get it. If you kill me, Pink, I will kill you. I need to sleep. No hope for a girl like me. How come they be winning? Why people always sus me? I don't even care. I really don't even care. I'm getting mad. You see, this is why people just get me mad. I blame Nojo for being a part of this video because he definitely did recommend this video. And look at this. Look at this stupid shit. And now I have to finish tasks. Usually I'll be really like just annoyed and not finish nothing because they piss me off, but because I really don't want to lose and now I have to finish tasks. These dumbasses. You know, stupid people irritate me, like really stupid people. And playing Among Us, there are a lot of stupid people. Who killed you? Yo, are you gonna report? So let me guess, it's Pink? Stupid ass tomorrow. Vote purple. Vote yo. You know what is annoying? Y'all didn't even see my 2 wins. That's what's annoying. And now I have to eat another one of these wings because stupid people. Try to pick one with the least amount of sauce. I ate most of it. I'm not even gonna try to be cute. I'm just gonna go for the milk. This ain't even helping right now. It's like second time burn, even worse. I'm trying to sort it out, but my thumb is hurting. Because my screen recording stopped when I won, I'm gonna play 2 more games. I'm only supposed to play 1 more game because I won 2, I lost 2. I'm gonna play 2 more games. Now ice cream making me super cold. Oh Lord. Oh fuck. Oh my God, did he just leave? Did my imp buddy just leave? It's all on me. Y'all, it's really all on me. I think my imp friend just left. Shit. And I think I just got caught. They blaming it on white. Alright. So I have to get 2 more kills in order to win. Oh, I only gotta get 1 more kill, right? Yeah, if we vote out Panda, I only gotta get 1 more kill. And then I won. Unless Cyan leaves too, then I officially won. I'm scared, y'all, because I have to sabotage quickly so I can get the kill. Oh. I'm gonna just stay here. And whoever comes, gonna kill them. Come on. Cause if you don't fix it, you automatically dead. So if they don't fix it, I automatically win. So they gotta come. Oh my god. Ah, that was good. That was good. So now I officially won 3 games that you guys didn't see 2 of. I'm salty about that. And I lost 2. 1 more game, Jack. You guys, if you did have these before, let me know in the comments down below. How many can you eat? If you're good with spice. I'm pretty good with spice, but like, it's too much. Damn, I'm ready here. Oh, I'm imposter again. All right. It could be good to, yo, why can't I sabotage? What the? White, stop the cat. We need 1 more kill if they don't vote me out. Why are these people not voting? Blue is stupid. I said white, stop the cap. I never said... I get so irritated. I try to calm down. Honestly, I'm done. I don't even want to play anymore. I won 4 games and I won 4 games and lost 2. I'm good. I don't need to play no more.
A few moments later.
I feel really like weird about those 2 games not recording, so I'm just gonna play 1 more game. And if I win, cool. If I lose, I'm just gonna take this clip out the video. Why do people come in lobbies and talk about start, start, start? Like, calm your horses. It's not even your lobby. Thank you, because I don't want to be imposter again. Even though I just won both my imposters roles. Just don't want to do it anymore, you know? I don't like to kill. I'm not a killer. Oh, I knew that was happening. I saw that coming. Stupid ass green. Dark green, you out of here, son. Your time is up. Yo, it's dark. It's dark green. They said it already. Bad imp. Alright, come on, Kendra. We gotta hurry up and do these tasks as a ghost. Over here killing me. The game just started. What a shame. Red seems safe. Uh-oh. Purple. Purple was the other one they was sussing. It is purple. And they just got caught. I hope they vote purple because they're sussing red for no reason. Oh, he left. Victory. Thank God, because I do not want any more wings. Alright, y'all. Now I am officially done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was actually fun, believe it or not, because I do love playing Among Us. I just didn't like the punishment of not winning, especially when I was playing with just people that don't have it all up here. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Let me know if you guys want another challenge, and yeah, let me know if you guys like this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!